And we're back with the upper Dodge 3500 EMF ball joint. I just wanted to show everybody how you can actually rebuild this in the truck. So this is our test unit. It's the 75,000 kilometer joint. We're just going to take it apart, check out inside, and see how it's going. But if you were going to rebuild it, this is how you would do it too. You have a wrench that fits in these holes, or I just use a pipe wrench personally. It's just easier. So the first thing you do, you clean out your set screw hole if you got lots of rust and stuff in it. You take your Allen key, back your set screw out. It's best to take it all the way out so you don't damage your threads inside. And then, like I said, I use a pipe wrench just because I always have one around. I'm never looking for it. It's just as easy. We'll take that off. Okay. Oops. Then we take a pick. I have a spiral lock in here. So we take our pick. This spiral lock just sets the race inside and doesn't allow it to back out. The cap actually sets the tension. Anyways, we'll take this guy out. Pop it around, nice and easy. And then it's about that easy to check it. So that's your pin. And then the lower race, give me 1 second here. Oops. 1 sec. Let's see if this guy's the right size. No problems. I should have taken it apart before we did the video. And then this is the race. So this race sits in there. So you go through and you determine if it's worn in here or if the pin's worn. If neither are worn, you stick them back in, do it up, and you're good to go. If not, you replace either or both. Actually, if you look at this one, it's taking the black off, but still not much wear. To me, it looks good. We're gonna stick it back. Because it's a test unit, I'm not going to clean it up. I'm not going to do anything to it. Take my spiral lock. Put it back in. And I'm doing this unrehearsed, so. Okay. Keep waiting for something to go wrong and look like an idiot. Grass, get that out of there. Oops. Just tighten it till it's tight. This guy's still good. Set screw back in. And it's good to go.